Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, my school extra. Today on our channel we want to show you how to make a car wash. Okay, previously we showed you how to prepare multi-purpose liquid soap. I don't know how many of you have seen that video and have used it to produce your own soap. If you have been able to do that, kudos to you. So today we are looking at how to produce car wash. The chemicals needed isn't different from the previous one. Okay, just one of it that was not present there. That's what's going to make the difference for today's production. Okay, please, we are making 10 liters of car wash. That's what we are producing today. So here's our 10 liters of water. Here's our supporting bowl. Here are the other supporting bowls which we'll use to dissolve all these dried chemicals. Okay, then here is our turning stick or stirrer. Here's our stirrer. Okay, we'll have a smaller stirrer as well. Then here are the chemicals needed. Here we have our nitroso, which is number 1, and please they are numbered according to how they will go into the mixing bowl for the production. Okay, here our number 1 is nitroso. Okay, then our number 2 is what? Soda ash. All right, soda ash. Then the number 3 is tezapon. Okay, tezapon. I remember our number 3 and number 4 usually go together. Okay, tezapon and sulfonic acid both always go together, so they will go into one mixing bowl. All right. Then our number 5 is XLS. Okay, sodium lauryl sulfate, XLS. Okay, then number 6 is foam booster. Okay, foam booster. Then number 7 is our number 7 is our STPP. Okay,
sodium tripolase phosphate, STPP. Then next is number 8.
formalin. All right, just a little quantity of it. Then our number 9 is the color. Okay, our number 9 is our colorant. Okay, color. Then number 10 is car wax. Car wax. Okay, this is what makes it different from a multi-purpose liquid soap. Okay, this one makes the car to shine after washing the car. All right, then here is our fragrance, number 11, the last one, which is what? Our fragrance. This fragrance gives it good scent, okay, after production. So that's it. Now let's go into production process. So start with dissolving these dried chemicals. Okay, we'll dissolve them one after the other and we'll show you how we're going to do that. So we'll have to share this 10 liters of water for production. We'll take a fraction of it. Okay, take a fraction of it. So here is our mixing bowl, which the nitroso number 1 will go into first. Okay, so we are going to use this fraction of water now. We'll share it here, a little quantity of it. Okay, I'm sharing them now. Observing the first chemical, which is number 2, the soda ash. I'm keeping number 1 away because it's going to start the production, since that is our mixing bowl. Okay, so number 2, the soda ash, we'll be dissolving it. It's either you use a knife to tear from the base or you use scissors. Okay, and be careful so that these chemicals don't get to you. Okay, and it's not good to inhale these chemicals directly. That's why you should have all protective wears like the hand gloves, the nose mask, the goggles. It's not good for these chemicals to get directly to the body surface. Okay, so I will stir for some minutes, for like about 3 minutes. I'll stir this for about 3 minutes and keep it aside to dissolve. Okay, that's exactly what I'm doing now. This is our soda ash. I'm stirring it. and stir for 3 minutes, 3 good minutes, and keep aside to dissolve. Okay, so 3 minutes done. I'm keeping this aside. Need to keep it aside. Then I'll dissolve the excellence. I need to dissolve our excellence, number 5. I'll also tear from the base. Here's our excellence. Sodium lauryl sulfate. Excellence. Excellence looks like rice. Sometimes they call it rice grains. Soap rice grains. And it takes time to dissolve. So I'll keep stirring it. I'll stir it for 3 minutes. For 5 minutes. I'll stir for 5 minutes and keep it aside, allow it to dissolve as well. Reason I am dissolving these chemicals in different bowls is this. Some of these chemicals take time to dissolve, and if you do not mix it properly, they may cake or you may start having seeds in your production. So it's better you leave them to dissolve in different bowls so that during production proper you can just start mixing them into the bowl. Okay, so that's excellence. I'm keeping it aside now to dissolve. Let's mix the next dried ingredients, which is number 7, our STPP. Number 7, our STPP. I'm going to dissolve it right now. So I'm tearing from the base into the water. So I will stir and keep it aside to dissolve as well. This is instant production. Some persons, they may just do a day before production. They may choose to dissolve this chemical and leave it overnight for 24 hours before they start their production. But this is instant production. It doesn't really mean so long you are able to dissolve these chemicals properly, then you still have a good liquid soap or a good car wash. Okay, so that's our STP. And number 3 and 4, which is sulfonic acid and the tezapon. So here's our tezapon. I'll mix it with the sulfonic acid in one bowl. Also, you have to put on your protective device like the hand gloves so that your hand doesn't come direct contact with these chemicals, as some of them are very corrosive. Okay, so That's our sulfonic acid. So I'll mix it very well with this. I'll also add little quantity of water to it. Same quantity of water I used in mixing those other chemicals. That's what I'll use to mix this. And I'll stir for like 5 minutes too. I'm adding little quantity of water to it now. You can see it's even releasing bubbles. It's releasing bubbles. Okay, so let's now dissolve our color. Okay, Car Wash comes fine with blue color, so add little quantity of water to it. Blue, it's good to always dissolve your color before using them. Okay, they come in later in the production, so and color is according to our desire. Okay, it's never too much, it's never too small, but it's good to be moderate. Okay, it's good to use your colors moderately. Okay, so I'll keep it aside to dissolve, to keep dissolving. So while those other chemicals are dissolving on their own, we will now take the nitrosol number 1 into the mixing bowl. Okay, it is always the first to go into the mixing bowl during our production. So here's our tonic stick or our stirrer. So easy to stir the nitrosol. Stir and stir and stir and stir until it is completely dissolved. Stirring the nitrosol now. I will stir this nitrosol for about 5 good minutes until it is completely dissolved. Then you can start taking each of the dissolved chemicals one after the other into it. Okay, starting with the soda ash. Since soda ash is number 2 in our production, don't forget nitrosol is always number 1 in the production. Okay, why we did not mix it, why we did not dissolve it first? The reason is this.
If you dissolve the nitrosol first, it might get caked before other chemicals get dissolved. That's why it's the last to be dissolved but first to go into the mixing bowl during production.
Stir rigorously with high intensity. More speed. I'm not looking out for seeds. There is any seasoning for seeds. As you can see, I'm not seeing any seeds, but that doesn't mean I should stop. I still have to give it a good car wash. Okay, so I'll take my time to keep stirring. Having stirred this for 7 good minutes, it's already dissolved. We want to start the production process now. So we've already lined up the chemicals according to their numbers and how they are going to come into the production. This is number 1, nitroso, already dissolved. Number 2, soda ash, already dissolved. Number 3 and 4 is here, is terzapone and sulfonic. Then here is our number 5, XLS, okay, sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. Here is number 6, our foam booster. Here is number 7, our
Sodium tripolis phosphate STPP.
then here is our formalin for preservation or preservative. Then here is our color. Then number 10 is the car wax, okay, or car wax. Okay, then the last one, which is our fragrance. Alright. So we are going to take number 2 into the production now, which is our soda ash. Okay. I'll be adding it gradually. Unfortunately, guys, no one is helping me today, so I'm all doing this by myself. So I'll add it gradually and stir. Okay, I'm going to add it gradually and stir. Add gradually and stir. I'll add gradually and stir. So I keep stirring. So here we have the nitroso and soda ash in the mixture. Now we are about to add the number 3, which is number 3 and 4. The terzapone and sulfonic to it now. Remember, we already made them together. Alright. So I'll add them gradually and stir. I'll add gradually and stir. Like I said earlier, no one is helping me, so I just have to be doing it myself. So I have to stir rigorously at this stage because we have 3 chemicals combined now, 4 chemicals combined: nitroso, soda ash, terzapone, and sulfonic. So I'll rinse out the remaining mixture here into the bowl, okay, and stir, continue stirring, okay, until there are no lumps. Okay. The next is our XLS, okay. I'll add the XLS gradually too and stir. Our XLS is dissolved already, so I'll add it and stir. Our soap is thick. Car wash is already taking shape. Wow, this is awesome. So the next is our foam booster, number 6. Our foam booster, this little thing. So I'm adding the foam booster now. I'll add it and stir as well. Okay. So here we have nitroso, soda ash, terzapone, sulfonic acid, SLS, and foam booster in this mixture right now. Okay. Our car wash is taking shape. So the next is number 7.
Sodium tripolis phosphate STPP. I'll add it gradually and continue to stir.
So it's becoming very, very thick. Very, very thick. Okay. Remember, we are producing 10 liters of car wash liquid soap. Okay, 10 liters. And please do not be deceived. At the end of the production, you'll get more than 10 liters. But during the production, use 10 liters of water. Okay, after the production, you can now start adding water according to how you desire it. Okay, according to your taste. Alright. But the soap at the end is going to be so thick that it requires water to lighten it up a little. Alright. So that's it. Now it's time to add number 8, our preservative formalin. and has very bad smell. That's why you are encouraged to put up protective device, your nose one especially. So here's our formalin. And do not get worried about the measurement of these chemicals. When you want to make liquid soap or car wash, anything chemical you're producing, just go to the chemical store, tell them the quantity you are making. They'll know the right measurement to give to you. For these 10 liters of car wash you are making, they know the quantity of what to measure for you to use, so don't get worried. Okay? You may not get it linear by itself, but just search around for chemical stores where they sell liquid soap chemicals. You'll get it there and they'll give you the right measurement. Alright? So it is measured according to the quantity of production. Okay? So I'm going to stir rigorously. I'm not seeing any seeds. That's why it's good to dissolve all chemicals first in separate bowls before bringing them together for mixing. So guys, the next is addition of our color. Okay, our color is number 9 in the production. So we'll add it according to taste. Okay, and remember, car wash is finer with blue color. So that's why I chose blue. Okay, it's very common. Blue is very common in car wash. Blue. Oh, this soap is so thick. Very thick. So I'm not okay with that. I'll keep adding until I am okay with the color that I want. Okay, color does not kill, neither does it prevent the soap from foaming or anything. The next, number 10, is our car wax. Okay, our car wax number 10 is what makes it different from normal soap production. Okay, I'm adding it now. Okay, it is the car wax that gives the car wash shiny look after washing the car. So I've added it to the mixture. So I'm going to mix it. You can see, oh, looking so transparent. This is so nice. Interesting. I'm loving this. So guys, this you can actually make this instead of spending money in the stores buying your car wash for thousands of naira, for God knows how long you're going to do that. Why not just get these chemicals and produce your own soap? Okay, just like I've just done for myself, for my family use. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, My School Extra, that's our YouTube channel. And if you have the need to for further research or further reading on these chemicals, their uses, okay, their functions in soap making, just log into our website, it's myschoollibrary.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, My School Extra. Okay, we'll keep updating you on how to save money by on your own doing these things by yourself. It is called DIY, do it yourself. Okay. So that's it. Ladies, save money for your husbands. Husbands, save money for yourselves. Guys, save money for yourself. Okay, by doing these things all by yourself. You can see our car was shining, glaring. Woo! Amazing, guys. So I'm going to leave this to settle. When it settles, you can see that the car wash is very thick. We can't just leave it like this. We have to add little water after our fragrance have been added. Okay, our fragrance, will be adding our fragrance. Fragrance will add scent.
The fragrance adds scent to the car wash, and I'm going to stir it until there is even distribution of the fragrance. And after stirring, I'm going to leave the soap for about 24 hours to allow the foam to calm down. So guys, I left this soap for good number of hours, almost 24 hours. So finished about this time yesterday, and I covered it and left the foam to calm down. You can see
our soap looking so thick and starchy. Okay, and I need to stir rigorously. All right, seems like this bowl is too small for it, so I'll have to transfer it into a bigger bowl.
So because the soap is still very thick, we need to dilute with some quantity of water, about 10 liters of water. We'll use some to rinse out any leftover in the can or in the bucket. Then we add some to dilute it. We'll stir to make sure there are no lumps. You know, some soap, if you do not stir them very well, you can see some part very thick and some part very watery. I'm not checking out for lump. So there are no lump, and because there are no lump, it means the soap is looking very smooth. So we are going to package our product right away.
The end of our production, our car wash have been packaged. Okay, that 10-liter production gave us 27 liters at the end of the day. I told you that 10 liters is going to give you definitely a different number. It's going to give you an addition. Okay, this one even earned us 17 liters extra. You do the calculation. Each of these can with green
cover is 3 liters
and it's 7 in number, so 7 times 3, that will give us a 21. Then the one with a yellow cover, that is 2 liters each. 3 times 2, that will give us a 6. Okay, so 6 plus 21, that is 27. So we ended up having 27 liters of car wash. So I hope you like this and you'll be able to follow these procedures to make your own car wash and save yourself some money. The car wash is thick. Okay, it is good, very nice, and is glaring. Since this is for home use, I took my time to make sure that it really comes out well. Okay, so here it is. So please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to my school extra, give us some thumbs up and good comments. So see you next time when we are making other products. Okay, for now, bye bye.